Looks like the Mississippi River might be down just a little. Here's a boat ramp. We're north of Memphis, about 30 miles or so. But as you see at the bottom, it's a big sandbar down there. Bass Pro Shops at the Pyramid in Memphis, Tennessee. Also the Big Cypress Lodge. I don't need anything, but I'm gonna go in for outdoorsman. And you must be, because $2.49 for a little over 2 ounces of popcorn. Oh Lordy, I don't need to be in here. $25 for one pair of socks. The Bass Pro Shops inside the Pyramid in Memphis, Tennessee. Here's the elevator tower. There are rooms you can stay in. When I find a woman that this would be an ideal vacation for, I'll probably marry her. Wrestling in decades, but they must be going to have a show here in Memphis soon. I parked under an overpass, but here at the Bass Pro Shops in Memphis, they let you spend the night if you'd like.